it will locate the Active Directory user, then remove it and move it to an app, a disabled user status. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to run this command here to show that the user is enabled. And as we can see, she's enabled and she's a member of the IT tools and the VPN users group. So now it's her last day. So we're going to submit a ticket. So we move over to the software here and we go over to human resources. Then we take the employee termination, which I've built upon, and then we are going to name, we're going to need to set a priority. And as we can see, the username is, yep, Tyler Brooks. And for the manager today, we're going to use you. And today's going to be the last day. And then we're going to say termination of, and then we say, this is the demo. And we're going to click send. So this will send this to this automation here. So what the automation is doing is it receives a webhook from the InvGate software platform, and it extracts the details, extracts the field, sets the lever data, comments on the ticket, comments that the disable has started, and then it will disable the Active Directory, and then it'll run different checks. And in a few moments here, you'll be able to see that it ran in Slack. And if we go back to the ticket here, it started off by saying that the workflow started. And then it says all the information. Then there's this audit log that tells when things happened. And there's your brief summary. And now to show you that it works, we're going to run that very same command here. And see, it's disabled.
Yeah, she's
And that took no technical point on the HR department whatsoever. So it was fully automated. So a non-technical user could go in and disable an account without the need for the IT's intervention.
yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going to show you one more feature that I added. And we're going to go to employee termination once more. But we're going to, this time, I'm going to do a typo, an obvious typo there. Her last name is Brooks, but I did that. And then we're going to go, and then we're going to go here. And it's smart enough, and watch what it does. It's going to run through all there, but this time it's going to take one of the other paths because it's not going to find the account anywhere. So it's going to give us a message here that the automation had failed. And it says the ID was not found because I fat fingered it. And then it also logs everything nicely readable format.
I like that.
That's a version 3.
TJ, if you can build it in our workflow, I'll shower you
We
with gifts though.